So I ordered this, girl or boy. I went through this whole thing because I forgot to put my apartment number on my order. Can't get mad at nobody else but myself. Forgot to put my whole apartment number. So here I am calling Ulta like, hey, like before you ship it out, can you put my apartment number on there? Because I already know what the dealio is when apartment numbers are left off. Because I don't sell clothes, but I sell clothes. I sell clothes out of my closet. So like, I know when people order clothes from me and they forget to put their apartment number on there. First of all, once they send the label, that label's done. Meaning you have to purchase a whole new label. Meaning it takes even longer to get your stuff. So that's why I was so quick before they got it out, because I already know what the dealio is when it comes to that, because I deal with it myself when people forget to put their apartment numbers. But speaking about that, make sure you, oh, this dry really quick, I peeped that. But speaking about shopping for my closet, make sure you check my description down below, because I will link where I sell my clothes at. It's a app called OfferUp, and it's pretty similar to Poshmark, but I don't know, I just prefer OfferUp more. And yeah, I don't have any more things up there because literally everything that I posted sold out, meaning everyone like bought everything like super quick. But I do need to go through my closet and post more things, because y'all, I grow out of stuff, or I just buy it, wear it once, and then I no longer want it. That's just me. That's just who I am. I'm just that person. And my mom hates that. She's like, Dom, you only had that for how long? And I'm like, Mom, I just don't want it no more. Like, and sometimes it's even stuff that still got the tags. And that's what's so funny. And I feel like that's what really irritates my mom, is stuff that still got tags. And she's like, so why did you buy it? Y'all, let me just say, I like this foundation. Okay, first of all, this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I think, don't quote me, I don't know if this just came out, but I know this is pretty new. I love it. It's really matte. It's like medium coverage, but let me say one thing, it dries quick. Unless I'm just moving slow, which I don't think I am, because this is the normal pace that I like. I apply my foundation and then I buff it out. Unless I'm just moving like mad slow, this stuff dry quick. It dry real quick, so you gotta move quick, unless you want your foundation to dry up on you. But let me just go in with this little brush so I can clean up the sides of my eyeshadow, because I don't want it to drag all the way out like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and clean it up. But yeah, I don't know how this, y'all, I'm super excited. I finally got my hands, not got my hands like it's sold out, but I finally convinced myself to buy NARS concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I have this in the color Ginger, medium to ginger, and I'm gonna see how it is. I'm also trying to convince myself to purchase their foundation, because I only heard good things about the foundation. But so far, this is very creamy, like super creamy. And I did get a light color because now, y'all, I really want my highlight to be popping. Like, I want you to know I have my highlight, sis. Like, it's 2019. Yes, I wear makeup, okay? Who don't know that? I wear makeup. So, you finna see this highlight. Let's see how this turned out, though. Okay. I really gotta grow up one day. I do. Growing up is necessary. But y'all, seriously, I'm loving this. I really am. I'm loving this concealer. I'm feeling it. But okay, let me say this. I think what I'm gonna do is the days that I want to get like beat, like beat to the gods, then I'll use my NARS. So I guess like I only use my NARS on special occasions, meaning me and like my boyfriend go out to eat or something. Like, yeah, trip wear. But every day I'm going somewhere, you're not getting my NARS. It takes me a long time to buy something that's like expensive, like small and expensive. Like, I do a whole lot of research before I go out, which I feel like you should do. You should get a lot of opinions on something, especially if it's something that you can't return, like makeup, for instance. Like, I think Ulta actually does have a really good return policy, but I don't know. I just personally don't like going through that whole returning thing, like going back to the store. So to kind of avoid all of that, I just do a lot of research. Like, I go on YouTube, I watch a lot of videos. Listen, you know how many videos I watch on this one little thing? A lot. Because I'm not about to spend my money and not know anything about the product. And I say anything meaning like I want to know the ingredients. Give me like a rating on like 0 to 10. Like, tell me what it is. Like, do you like it? Why don't you like it? And if it's something that I can deal with, then okay. And if I see the same review a million times, then that means like that's more than likely true. Like, if I see like a million reviews that say horrible, 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 and then I see one review that say good, no. But yeah, guys, back to the getting to know me. I really don't want to like go into too deep, like too many details, because I actually want to do a full video like about this separately, like a get to know me video. But for now, that's what I can talk about. Look at these cheekbones. Look at these cheekbones. Snatched. But yeah, nursing major. My name is Dominique. I go by Nikki a lot. So if you ever see vlogs or such, you ever hear my mom say Nikki, she's talking to me. Yeah, I go by Nikki. It's N-I-K-K-I, not N-I-C-K-I, not N-I-C-K-Y, N-I-K-K-I. Like, I don't know why people automatically think it's like Nicki Minaj spelling. No, like, ask me. Please, ask me. That, I don't know. And it's not saying like Nicki Minaj ugly or something, because she bad. So like, no, I don't know. I don't know why they make me so mad. That just make me so mad when I see somebody spell my name N-I-C-K-Y or N-I-C-K-I. It just makes me so upset. It makes me so mad. But yeah, I'm 19 years old. I have an older sister. That's actually surprising to a lot of people, because a lot of people that like meet me, they always think I'm the only child. It may be because the way that I act, but no, I actually have an older sister. Same mom, same dad. We are the only two, which is really funny, because like I said, everybody think I'm the only child, and I don't know why. She is 5 years older than me. I'm originally from Baltimore, Maryland. Like, y'all, that's where I'm from. And I moved to Florida with my mom and my sister. Y'all, hold up. So you telling me I've been using, okay, because I know y'all probably be judging me in my other tutorials when y'all see this my little spoolie, my little broken spoolie. I got a whole good one right here. And I'm sitting there using that broken one. But I don't know, I just like the way it feels. Like, it's close so I can, like, get right there. It's, like, really close. But, yeah, like I said, I have a job, okay? That's another fun fact. I have a job because I know some people actually don't have a job. Like, one of my friends, Michelle, she doesn't have a job, and she's about to turn 20. She doesn't have a job. But, yeah, I have a job. And another thing about me, I actually work with geriatrics. That's pretty cool. I don't know. I think that's cool. I work with geriatrics. So I work with old people. That sounds so mean. Old people. That's why I said geriatrics. So y'all don't say nothing. They'll be like, why are you calling them old people? I'm being very honest with y'all. They annoying. They are. But you learn to love them like you do. Some of them. Let me say that. Because one of my residents just actually passed. And I went to the funeral. I did. And I cried like a baby. Me and Ashley cried. We cried on his wife. But I feel like that's different because she was like, I said she was like she's gone too. But she's like a mother to me. Like, she's legit like a mom to me. She be making me like little bracelets and stuff, like little beads, because they have like little art classes and stuff, like where they do their little beads. And she be making me so much stuff. Like bracelets, necklaces. She be making me like little earrings. It's so cute. I love it. Like I said, like some of them are sweet and some of them aren't. Like, but that's anywhere. Everywhere you have some sweet people, and in some places you don't. My bad, y'all. I had to go get my eyelashes out the car. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because when I'm tired, that's the first thing that I take off. I take off them lashes. I left a pair, which is still there, at my boyfriend's house. I was about to say he sent me a picture. We was on FaceTime. He was like, babe, you know you left your eyelashes here? I left them on a dresser because we went to like a little dog park. And then we came back to his house. And we was eating. And you know, like when you want to be comfortable when you eating. So I got comfortable. And I put my lashes on the dresser. And I left late. Like I left probably, most likely I left about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning. And I was not thinking about the lashes, y'all. And then when we was on FaceTime the next morning, he was like, you left your lashes. And then he texted me later that day and was like, I think I lost one. What I'm going to do with one lash, babe? What am I going to do with one lash? Let me know. Let me tell y'all right now, y'all about to see this look in like 3 videos, because I'm about to record like 3 more videos before I get to work. My lashes don't even want to go on. Like, sis, if there's a problem, let me know. We can solve it, okay? But I love these lashes. Look at me. I love this. I love that. Girl, I'm making my own self mad. I'm checking myself. I'm checking me for y'all. Because y'all finna say it. So I'm finna say it before y'all say it. But no, seriously. If I didn't like something, I would tell y'all I don't like it. Because I would want somebody that I watch to tell me the truth. Don't just say you like something because like somebody paying you to review it. But that's the thing. Ain't nobody paying me now to review the stuff that I'm talking about. I'm telling y'all, if I really do like it, if I really do hate it. And one thing about, I don't know, I can't just say one thing about me, but I'm guessing one thing about a lot of people is you notice they really like something when they keep using it. So if you see something in my videos that are constantly used, then of course I must really like it. I mean, that just, I don't want to say that just makes sense, because I mean, I guess some YouTubers actually keep things in their videos because they get paid. Not I. I'm just going in and fixing this little, y'all, I'm like really proud of myself. I just did a blue look. Blue. Proud of myself. I'm about to go in with my but look, yep. I'm about to go in with my MAC mascara. Let me make sure these are dry, because y'all, one time I went in with my mascara before my eyelashes was even dry. I went like this, literally pulled this up, the whole lash was on this. So I'll be trying to make sure they're dry now, so I don't take the lash off that I just worked so hard to put on. I feel like it's necessary that you always blend your eyelashes in, and the reason why I say that is because when you do your makeup, like, your foundation is on your actual eyelashes, so it makes them appear brown when they're supposed to be black, and you can actually see it. So make sure you're blending your eyelashes into your falsies, and make sure you're also measuring. Like, I get that question a lot, like, how do you put on lashes? And I'm actually gonna make a video on that, and I'm gonna do a new pair, because that's why you guys never see me measure my lashes, because it's always a pair that I've already worn, because I wear my lashes over and over again until they just get like really, really old and they don't look right anymore. So when I open a new package of lashes, I always measure them, and then that's why I don't have to cut them anymore, because they're fit to my face already. But don't worry, I'm gonna make a video about that too. I'm gonna make a video on how to properly apply lashes, because it was hard when I learned, and like everything else, practice makes perfect. So don't beat yourself up if you don't get something the first time, and that goes with anything. That's life. Don't beat yourself up if you don't get something the first time. That is life. It really is. Look at me trying to spit game. Tell me shut up, girl. Shut up. Trying to spit game. Be like, girl, who are you? Who are you to be trying to be spitting game? If it do, oh well. It's on if it does. Real quick. Oh yeah, and I also want to put I'm about to go back into the palette, and I'm about to put some blue in my under eye. I'm about to just pull down my lid. That sounds so weird. Pull down my lid and go in with this brush. Hold it down and just go in with this blue. Just like that. Like so. Alright. Let me stop playing, because like I said, y'all, I got like 2 more videos to make and get up. So now this will end my get ready with me. Thank you for watching.